Now, third and the last kind of participle, that is the perfect participle. So, we go on to the third form, that is the perfect participle. In the perfect participle, it denotes an action has been completed. In the perfect participle, the action has been completed at some time in the past, and therefore we call it perfect participle. So why do we call it a perfect participle? The action has been completed in the past. The action, we are talking about the action has been completed in the past. In the completed in the past. In the perfect participle, we are talking about the action has been completed in the past. So we say it is a perfect participle. Now the examples are having met him, we returned home. Having met him, we returned home. We returned home. Okay, then having taken my meal, I went out. Having completed my homework, I went out to play. I went out to play. We are talking about the participle, the perfect participle. In the perfect participle, action has been completed in the past. Action finished, done, already done in the past. Therefore, we call it the perfect participle. What is the example? Having met him, we returned home. Having taken my meal, I went out. Having completed my homework, I went out to play. Having given the injection or having given the medicine, the doctor left or the nurse left. Having. Okay. Now, here in the perfect participle, action completed in the past. So, it's very, very perfect. Having met him, we returned home. Having taken the money from the ATM, I went home. Whatever. Here, what is to be understood is in the perfect, action completed in the past. Because the action is already over in the past, It's a perfect participle. So the third part of the participle is very, very easy. Action completed, therefore it's perfect. That's all you need to remember.